Hey YouTube, it's your girl Kiannamoracia and I'm back with another video. So today's video is actually going to be a little bit different because today I'm talking. And you know I don't really talk during the videos, but that's fine because today we have a very special wig. We have my first ever glueless straight wig. So I've never had a glueless straight wig before, and I'm talking like no glue at all. I'm not even going to use spray in this video. It's just going to be put the wig on. That's it. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, first thing, I'm super excited because when I saw this wig, I was like, oh my gosh, the box is so cute. Look, it looks so girly. It looks kind of like a shoebox, but this is the wig. It's from the company Dola hair, and I'm doing a live unboxing right there. So let me pull this out.
Take it out the bag.
Ooh, this is long. This is long. So right in the box right here, it says, hello gorgeous. I don't know if you can see it because my ring light is like super bright. Okay, so this is the wig. As y'all could tell, all right, I'm sure I'm 5'2" for reference, but this is, listen, this is still a long wig. This is a bust down. So yeah, this is a 5x5 closure. Look at those knots. I'm gonna fix the camera so y'all can get a close-up view. Y'all see that?
The knots are fully bleached.
If you know me, then you know I hate bleaching wigs. I don't know why. I just don't like bleaching. I hate the smell of bleach. Ever since like I actually started doing wigs, it makes me feel sick. So this is a great alternative for beginners. I'm actually trying to show you guys the full length, and now we're about to put it on. Look at that length in cornrows. Don't talk about my cornrows. I don't know what's going on with my cornrows. My cornrows have been in for like 2 weeks. If you talk bad about my cornrows, you're anti-black. Okay, so I went ahead and put the wig on a mannequin head. If I sound sick, like I said, I'm like semi getting sick, but that's okay. I went ahead and put it on a mannequin head just to show you guys like how full it really is. Also to show you, it's not moving. This wig is actually made on a dome cap instead of the breathable mesh caps. So that means it's actually gonna stay on your head and give that glueless effect. So I'm gonna go ahead and customize it while it's on the dome cap. Not customize it, but I'm gonna, you know, take the hot comb, slick it back, make my part, and then we're gonna do the glueless install. These are all the goodies that I got with the wig, because you know, I always get goodies. These are 2 wig caps, of course, because you're gonna need it. A replaceable elastic band, because one does already come inside of it, but just in case you want to put another one there. And then I got an eyebrow razor for cutting the lace, and this edge brush. Oh, this is cute. This is like way thicker than the ones I usually get. I think I'm gonna use it in the video. Alright, so I finished, you know, hot combing the wig, making my part, everything. It looks perfect. Don't do whatever's going on with this situation. I'm trying to show y'all how easy the wig is gonna go, so I'm not doing anything extra. I'm not tucking this back, nothing. I'm just gonna put the wig on. I added foundation to my cap. What I am gonna do is go on the inside, of course. Also guys, this is premium Swiss lace. Lace is like really soft, so I'm pretty sure it'll melt without anything. And I'm showing you guys the cap construction. As you can see, it has the elastic band that's adjustable right here. It does have different sizes on the website, so you can get a larger size or a small size if you want to make sure it fits. And then it has 1, 2, 3, 4 combs. Alright, so this is what the wig looks like when it's on. I know, giving very much forehead, and my braids are bulky, but I wanted to make this as realistic as possible and to show that you don't need a perfect braid down to do it. So I'm taking my scissors and I'm about to start cutting, and what I'm doing is I'm just making sure I cut in a zigzag motion to make sure everything's like actually even. When I'm cutting, I like to take my mirror and put it somewhere so that way I actually know what I'm cutting and I'm just not cutting blindly. Alright, so the wig is all styled. I decided to put a little headband over it, kind of give like a cute little preppy look. And just to show you guys that it really is glueless, I'm going to be putting a comb underneath so you guys can see. I did not use any spray. Only thing I used was just some foundation. I used a darker foundation so that way that white cast does not show. Hair is pretty long. I would say this is about 24 inches. Yeah, I think so. I don't remember what length it is, but this wig is gorgeous. And it only took like 10 minutes to put on. And that means like actually, you know, put on and get it how I want it to, just because I wanted the headband to be right at the front and tucked. So it kind of looks like a frontal, even though it's a 5x5. The parting space is amazing. It goes all the way back. As you can see, my forehead is pretty big, so I wanted it to look as natural as possible. No baby hairs, fresh out the box. I sound like OD congested. So now for the test that you guys have all been waiting for, we are going to put, yo, that's crazy. That's crazy. Hold on. Hold on, let me do it again. Let me do it again so you guys can see. This is completely glueless. There's no glue at all. Like none. No spray, no glue, no tape, no nothing. All I did was put the wig cap on and the actual wig. I didn't even use those little bands that they use to keep it from moving. No, this is just the wig by itself. So putting it all around so you guys can see. Now I'm gonna give you guys a close-up. There's no glue at all. This wig is the easiest. When I say easiest, I mean the easiest install I've ever done. First off, the dome cap, amazing. It's on my head and it's not moving. I look like a mannequin. But yeah, it's on my head and it's not moving. It came pre-bleached, pre-plucked. Y'all know I'm very picky about my plucking, but this one works completely without me touching it. They actually did a pretty good job just to make it glueless. So I can't believe it. I actually have a glueless wig now. This took about 5 minutes just to put on my head, you know, put the headband over. I didn't show that process because me and headbands don't really work well whenever I put them on, because, you know, I have a chunky face, but that's fine. And yeah, I kind of figured I should start doing like a beginner wig series because it's kind of hard to learn wigs, and I know a lot of people just want to get a wig that they could put on and go. I feel like this is perfect. Once again, the elastic band is adjustable, so you can tighten it more if you want to. But yeah, this hair is from Dola hair. The link will be in the description box below. Once again, it is a 5x5 Swiss lace closure. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.